We're still running her. We're still running her. Yes, we are now. Da 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 da. Yep. Have a good day, everyone. I will talk to you later. Thank you all for being here. All right, so it still seems to be 9 people here. What are y'all doing? You're supposed to just say goodbye and be free, my platinum spirit stars. Unless y'all want to hear Hanny Cute's theme music. I like it. I don't know who had it first, but I like it a lot. It's called. I don't. Well, maybe she don't want people to know, but I like it. It starts off a little scary. I don't think I can sing to this. Yes, God bless you always, a Sting Bing Bong. Look at the top. A Sting Bing Bong, look up at the top. A Sting Bing Bong TV, look at the top. There are some links. At Sting Bing Bong, there are some links. Okay? Because I have to finish running these people. I'm running her right now. And I have Deja. And seeing I can't do this too much because it'll be copywritten. So you all have a good night. Thank you so much for joining the Platinum Spirit Bubble Dome. At the beginning, we did have some rain and a little thunder. It was wonderful. Also, be mindful, I am accepting donations, and the link will be in the description of this video, and it's also in the previous video. In fact, this thing's not on a post right now. I'm just going over to my community tab. It's right there. The minimum fee is $1. If you enjoyed this musical selection and this musical session, feel free to tip me $1, but that will be in the Stream Elements one. The other one is a minimum $3 fee. You have to pay $3. So yeah, I'm not bankrupt, but I just want to see if I get tips though. It would be nice. Good night, everybody. Thank you all for coming. Yes, I will enjoy my life a Stick Bing Bong. You're welcome. I will come and visit you tonight. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone. Platinum Spirit has come to you live.